New Day Lagawan sa Negros. I am here right now in Quiapo Church, Manila. So, drop by lang ako, guys. As usual, guys, dito lang po video ang sulod, guys. Sa sign of respect, guys. Quiapo Church, Manila. Nagawa sa Negros Motovlog, guys. Thank you very much.